Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my Madrasah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inshallah, we will be learning Qur'an and we will be starting from the beginning, from the alphabet, Arabic alphabet. And inshallah, today's first lesson is about letter Alif. So today, inshallah, we will be learning about Alif, our first letter of the alphabet. And remember, we should read Qur'an with Tajweed. This is how Qur'an was revealed, with Tajweed. And Tajweed means accurate pronunciation of every single letter and considering the etiquettes and adab of reading the Qur'an. So it is very important to get it right from the first step. And inshallah, we will learn together. And inshallah, you will achieve. So let's aim for the highest. So this is Alif. This is Alif. And just to make it easy, any straight line, any vertical line, any straight line like this will be called Alif. So please repeat it after me. This is letter Alif. Alif, so say Alif, Alif, and the pronunciation of Alif is A, or it can be U, or it can be I. So A, Alif, this letter, name of this letter is Alif. So please repeat it after me. Alif, 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 and you can draw any vertical line the way I have shown here, and that will be regarded as Alif. So all of these are Alif, 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 Alif. Right, so hopefully now you know what letter Alif looks like. So let's learn. So this is letter Alif, and it pronounces A or U or I, depending what it has. So this is Alif, and if it has Fatha, it will be called A. That's Alif. If the diagonal line is at the bottom, it's called I. So that will be like A. That will be like I. And that is U. U. Right. A. I. U. And without these, just vertical line, this is called Alif. So if you have a pen or pencil, and if you're just looking at the pen and pencil and make it stand up vertically, that will be shape of Alif. That's it, really. That's how simple it is. Let's rub this off and move on. So that's Alif. There is another Alif here. Alif, 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 Alif. So you can see all of these are Alif. And as we learned, if we place a Fatha, we'll learn about this in future, inshallah. This is Fatha. In fact, you can check out, but well, if you are just starting, then just stay here. That's A. And if we add this line at the bottom, it pronounces I. And if we add this shape on top, and it pronounces U. So that's A, that's E, and U. Our aim is not to learn these symbols yet. We will learn that in future, inshallah. Our aim is to learn the pronunciation of Alif when it has these small vowels or these symbols. So A, I, U, A, I, U, without stretching, no stretching, not A, I, U, that will be wrong. So we just read A, I, U, and all of these are Alif. So hopefully you've learnt your first letter, Alif. Alhamdulillah. Let's repeat it once more. Alif, 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 Alif. And learn the pronunciation. A, I, U. Right, inshallah, hopefully you've learnt it. Now, in the next lesson, inshallah, we will explore letter Ba, which looks like this. And inshallah, we'll do that in the next lesson. Jazakumullahu khairan for learning and attending and watching the video. Please revise this and watch the video and repeat after that several times, so you are fully aware of the letter Alif and also its pronunciation. And inshallah, see you soon again. Please do leave feedback on my online madrasah at outlook.com. So leave your feedback on my online madrasah at outlook.com. That's my online madrasah at outlook.com. Jazakumullahu khairan, and inshallah see you again for the letter Ba.